This is the fluffiest omelette in the world, and you need only 4 eggs. Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Eat Studio channel, the place where simple recipes turn into something special. Today we are making one of the most famous breakfasts in France, omelette poulard. This incredible fluffy omelette was created in late 19th century by Annette Poulard. One morning she decided to serve a classic omelette in a completely new way, separating eggs and whipping the whites into a cloud-like form. And today we'll recreate this legendary French omelette right at home. Subscribe to the channel if you love easy recipes from around the world, and let's start cooking. Separate egg yolk and egg whites carefully. Season yolk with salt and pepper and whisk lightly. Beat eggs whites with a pinch of salt until fluffy peaks form. 3 or 4 minutes. What makes this omelette special in texture? The whipped egg whites create a soufflé effect without using an oven. That's why guests at Annette Poulard's hotel think it was magic. Heat a pan on very low heat and grease with oil or butter. Pour yolk and spread evenly like a thin pancake. After 1 minute, gently add whipped whites on top. Cover with the lid and cook 2 or 3 minutes on a low heat. Check texture. Whites should not stick. Transfer it carefully to a plate. Fold omelette in half and serve immediately. And here is it, the legendary omelette poulard. Light as a cloud, soft inside, and incredibly simple to make. Try making it at home and tell me, did yours turn out fluffy? Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and check out other recipes that YouTube has selected just for you.